I'm going to do a slip knot. Normally I don't do a slip knot when I cast on, but in this case, I'm going to make a slip knot just to anchor, as an anchor. All right, so here's my slip knot. And here's the working strand. You want that part on the top, okay? So it slides like that. And you want the beginning loop big enough so you can put your thumb and forefinger through it, just like this, because just what you're going to be using to grab the yarn. I'm going to hold my tail. I'm going to grab my needle, and I'm going to tension my yarn. All right, this is how I tension my yarn. I'm going to hold that needle over the yarn just like that, okay? Ready to grab it. So I'm going to pull, and the first stitch, just pull it and tighten it. Just like that. It'll pull, all right? And that's my first stitch. So I'm going to put my thumb and forefinger back through that loop just like that and get ready for that second stitch. Take the yarn around the back of the needle and then grab that yarn again and pull and cinch it up. All right? Try to cinch it up as evenly as you can. That's my second stitch. Put my thumb and forefinger through. And remember, the top strand should be sliding. Take it around the back of the needle and pull again and make that third stitch. You see that? And you will keep making stitches until you have one less than the total amount of stitches, cast on stitches that you need. All right, so let's say that was, I only need one more stitch. Now I'm going to take the yarn to the back and then take the last loop and slip it onto the needle and then do like that, okay? Cinch it up, and here I have it. You see that? How beautiful that is? That slip knot, let's remove it because it's just kind of hanging off the work and we don't need it. Like I said, I just use it to anchor it when we start, but now we can just remove it. So just remove the slip knot, just pull it like that. And then your work's not going to fall apart. And see, now it's much neater. You see that? And there you go.